came into a bunch of money. Wait, shouldn't it be came across a bunch of money? I feel like that would improve the quality of the joke. Cloak, can you try to play behind Punisher a little bit? Like, I can play up a little bit further than you can. Are you even looking? Bro, magic backline. Ugh. Alright, dude. I hate and love the comp grind. Real, honestly. True and real. Thanks for the playlist. No problem. I can finally retire my comp days or be a happy quick play player. What? You're gonna stop at GM? Hashtag not my goat.
If rocket or if you could stay alive.
Yeah, we just reset.
I think we can get there, can't we?
Yes?
Oh, we were so close.
Lady, thank you for that. Oh god. Wait!
I had of forms to complete, so if you need some help being filled in, let me know, Peach Smoke.
What? Oh yeah, fill me up. Lady, thank you for the resub. Amy, thank you for the biddies. Guys, I gotta lock in. I'm not logged in right now. This magic kind of fucking me, bro. They stole my cloak and they suck. That's not where I wanted that. That's awkward. Hold on. Chat!
What's 6 inches long and has 2 nuts at the end? An almond joy.
What? It has more than 2 nuts on it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah! I looked away. Alright, chat. Stop. Stop giving me money. Fuck, I looked away for 1 second, bro. No way. Oh, fuck. Chat do be distracting. Games are good, though. Thank you for the 3-month resub at tier 1, by the way. Thank you. Chat, stop it. Stop. Bad chat. Bad chat. Bad. Oh my god, this fucking cloak, dude. Oh my god. They're ulting. Cloak wasted their ult. There's like nobody there, so.
Put rocket ult behind this wall here.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, well.
Hate to see it.
Yeah, they burned it pretty fast, so. Alright, dude. Hey, love the comp grind. Honestly, real. Me too.
Can you just go with 3rd support?
I don't know what the fuck our tank is doing. Oh, fucking great. Bro, like, piggyback me, fucking, like something. Patty cake with me, please. Okay, alright, cool. Hi, Tears, how are you? I used too many quips earlier in the week. I need to up my game. Yeah, you do. Man, bro.
The cloak. Killed Luna.
Yes.
Can we kill the fucking squids? Please? I guess I can, but like, damn, you want me to heal you? Like, that's Hella's job. I don't know what Hella's doing. 8 and 8? Okay. Oh, Namor's flank, guys. He's hiding up here. I can't ping it because my mouse is broken. Okay. What'd I fucking say? Chrono, thank you for the follow. Hi, Royal. How are you? Welcome in. Shy, give me $1 million right now. I took a look through the playlist. We have very similar music tastes. I love it. That's my goat, man. Real recognize real, man. Shot!
A sperm donor, a carpenter, and Julius Caesar walk into a bar.
What?
He came, he saw, he conquered.
Okay.
Tiger Blue.
I like that one. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god, chat. Wait, I cannot look. I can't look right now.
Broker overshield for you.